everybody. Hey everybody, it's Steve Pistoia from the Dance Boys. So yesterday I was up here. I choreographed a new dance called Dukes and Cowboy Boots, and I made an absolute fool out of myself. I'm pretty sure you saw the video. So I couldn't stop laughing when I was making that video. But anyway, I'm going to give you a quick lesson on the dance, okay? It's a 32 count, 4-wall dance with one easy restart. And the restart comes on the beginning of wall 4, and you're going to do 16 counts and then restart, okay? So I'm going to give you a quick teach lesson here real quick. So the dance starts off with a kick ball change, triple forward. So kick ball step, triple forward. You're going to do a triple half turn with a back rock recover. Count on that is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, let's do set 2. Set 2, you're going to do a modified V step. So you're just going to, it's just a faster V step. So you're just going to go out, out, and in. Okay? So, and 1 and 2. Then you're going to stuff through and step forward. So out, in, kick. Make a quarter turn and point like that. So get that hand ready, because that's number 1 on the 3rd set. That hand right here. All right? All right, so let's put that together. 5, 6, here we go. Kick, ball change, triple forward, triple back, back, rock, out, out, in, scuff, step, swivel, out, in, kick, quarter turn. Make sure that hand's ready. All right? Now let's go over the 3rd step. All right, 3rd set. I'm going to turn this way so you guys can see what it looks like. Your quarter out. On 1, you're going to smack your butt. 1. Then you're going to make a quarter turn forward and take the weight on that foot on 2. Then you're going to step out to your side, making a quarter turn, taking your weight on your right, and then you're going to do a heel jack cross. So it's behind and heel and cross. And to finish that last set, you're just going to step back a quarter and step back a quarter again. Okay? So let's put that together. Put that together with the whole thing. 3 sets. Here we go. 5, 6. Here we go. Kick, ball change, triple forward, triple back, rock, recover, out and in, scuff, step, swivel, out, in, kick, quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. Turn, turn. Now to finish up this dance, let me finish the last set. I'll just show you how simple this is. All right, we're just going to do a regular V step now. So you're just going to step out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where you can go? Where you can go? Or actually, I'm sorry. Weight's going to be on your right, so you're going to step out with the left foot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can go bump right twice or bump left twice. However you want to bump or do your thing. All right? I'm going to show you the whole dance. All right? And here we go. All right. 5, 6. Here we go. Kick, ball change, triple forward, triple head, back, rock, out, out, and in, scuff, step, swivel, out, in, kick, quarter turn, point. Then you're going to go quarter forward, quarter turn, then you're going to heel jack, behind and heel and cross, and then you're going to make a quarter back step back, quarter turn over your right, and then you're going to step out, 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 in, bump hips right, bump hips left. All right? That's Daisy Dukes and Cowboy Boots. Oh, let me go over a restart. Sorry. All right, so wall 4 after 16 counts. All right, so let's go right into it. Here we go. This is wall 4. We're going to start the dance. Kick, ball, step, triple forward, triple head, back, rock. Out and in, scuff, step, swivel, out, in, kick. Instead of making that quarter turn back to the point, you're just going to go kick, touch. Right here. Touch right next to your left foot. Then you go right into the kick, ball change. It's so simple, okay? So kick, touch, kick, ball change. That's how fast it is, okay? I hope you guys enjoy the dance. Thank you.